Hi, grade 7. Today we will talk about the circulatory system and we will continue our lesson. Last session we talked about that the circulatory system includes heart, blood and blood vessels. And we talked about the function of the circulatory system is to transport blood around your body. In this session we will talk about the functions, the component of the blood and their functions. Let's start. Blood. Blood consists of white blood cells, red blood cells, plasma, and platelets. So, what are the components of the blood? Blood consists of white blood cells, red blood cells, plasma, and platelets. Plasma and platelets. Let's start with the white blood cells. White blood cell, it has nucleus. Each cell has nucleus. It helps the body to defend against infection by attacking microbes and producing antibodies. Okay, so what is the function of white blood cell? To defend against infection by attacking microbes and producing antibodies. Number 2, red blood cells. Red blood cells transport fresh oxygen throughout the body. Okay, so what is the function of red blood cell? Transport the oxygen. Transport oxygen. And also, red blood cells remove carbon dioxide from your body and transporting it to the lungs for you to exhalate. Okay, through the exhalation process. Okay, so what is the function of red blood cell? Red blood cell transport oxygen to the body and carbon dioxide from the body to through the exhalation process. Okay, so red blood cell is very important to your health. Red blood cell is very important. What is the function? Transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. Transport oxygen to all the body and carbon dioxide get it from the body to the lungs. Okay, to get rid of it. So what is the function of red blood cell? Transport oxygen to the body and remove carbon dioxide from your body and transporting it to lungs. Okay. Number 3, plasma. The third component of blood, plasma. Plasma is liquid portion of blood. It contains what? It contains water, salts, enzymes, antibodies, and proteins. Okay? And also, plasma is a yellow watery component of blood, like this. Yellow watery component of blood. Yellow liquid component of blood. Okay? Plasma like this. Red blood cell, white blood cell, and plasma. Okay, so plasma, liquid portion of blood, contains water, salts, enzyme, antibodies, and proteins, and it is yellow liquid component. Yellow liquid component of blood. Okay. Number 4, platelets. The fourth component of blood, platelets. Platelets are very important. Why? They are very tiny blood cells, small fragments. They help your body form clots to stop bleeding. So, what is the function of platelets? Prevent bleeding. Prevent bleeding. They help your body form to stop bleeding. To stop bleeding. If one of your blood vessels gets damaged, what will happen? It sends out signals to the platelets to form a clot to fix the damage. Okay, so platelets are tiny blood vessels. Are tiny blood cells. They help your body to stop bleeding, to prevent bleeding. Okay, if one of your blood vessels gets damaged, what will happen? Yes, signals sent to the platelets to fix the damage, like this. picture. Okay. Red blood cell and the platelet. So in this session, we talked about the four components of blood and their function, and we talked about the white blood cell, its function, the defense against microbes. Red blood cell transport oxygen to the body and remove carbon dioxide from the body to the lungs. And then plasma, yellow watery, it is liquid portion of blood, contains enzyme, antibodies, and proteins. It is a yellow liquid component of blood. And finally, platelets, very important because it responsible for preventing bleeding, help your body to prevent bleeding. Okay. Thank you, grade 7, and goodbye.